They called it the future of computing, a device that could replace your laptop, your TV, even your phone. But for many people, the Apple Vision Pro wasn't just futuristic, it was unfinished. And now, whispers are growing louder about what's coming next. The Apple Vision Pro 2. So, should you buy the first version now, or wait for the sequel that could fix everything? When Apple dropped the Vision Pro, it was the most ambitious product they'd made in decades. Mixed reality, ultra-high-resolution displays, eye tracking that feels like magic, and a $3,500 price tag that felt like reality hitting back. The experience? Undeniably cool. You could watch a movie on a virtual 100-foot screen, work in floating windows, even FaceTime in 3D. But beneath the innovation, there were cracks. It was heavy. The battery pack dangled like an afterthought. And comfort. Well, let's just say no one's wearing it for hours on a plane. Still, Apple wasn't aiming for mass adoption. Not yet. The Vision Pro was a proof of concept. A first step into the world they're calling spatial computing. Fast forward to today, and leaks from inside Cupertino hint that Apple is already deep into Vision Pro 2. And here's where it gets interesting. Rumors suggest the new version could be lighter, smaller, and cheaper. The displays might use a more efficient micro OLED panel, meaning better brightness and battery life. Apple is reportedly reworking the head strap for comfort, a major complaint among early adopters. And perhaps most crucially, there's talk of a non-Pro version. Think of it as the Vision without the Pro. More affordable, maybe around $1,500 to $2,000. That would put it within reach of actual consumers, not just tech reviewers and developers. If there's one thing Apple knows, it's iteration. Remember the first iPhone? No App Store, no front camera, no video recording. Now look where we are. Apple always starts elite, then scales down, refines, and dominates. The Vision Pro 2 will likely follow the same playbook. Insiders claim Apple's teams are studying user feedback obsessively. They're testing new materials to reduce neck strain, exploring new lens options for people who wear glasses, and working on an external battery redesign, possibly integrated into a band or neck module instead of dangling from a wire. They're also rumored to be doubling down on AI-powered eye and hand tracking, making gestures smoother and faster. In short, they're learning. Fast. But hardware is only half the story. The bigger question is, what can you actually do with it? Right now, the Vision Pro's ecosystem is small. There are great demos, but not enough must-have apps. That's changing though. Developers are starting to create spatial versions of their apps, design tools, immersive fitness programs, even virtual workspaces. By the time the Vision Pro 2 launches, likely in 2026, the app library could explode. Apple's betting big that when people finally see what's possible, they'll stop calling it a gimmick and start calling it the next iPhone moment. So, should you buy the current Vision Pro now? Or wait? Let's break it down. If you're a developer, content creator, or early adopter, the Vision Pro is still a playground worth exploring. It's a front-row ticket to Apple's next revolution. And if money isn't a concern, owning the first-gen model gives you a head start in understanding spatial computing. But for most people, waiting might be the smarter move. Because every rumor points toward a lighter, cheaper, and more refined Vision Pro 2, possibly with better comfort, improved visuals, and stronger app support. The first Vision Pro was about showing the world what's possible. The second one could finally show us what's practical. Apple isn't just selling a headset. They're selling the next computing platform. Think about it. Your MacBook made you productive. Your iPhone made you mobile. Your Vision Pro might one day make your world your workspace. Right now, it's early, it's expensive, it's imperfect. But so was every Apple product that came before its breakthrough moment. So whether you buy now or wait, one thing's certain. The future of computing isn't on your desk or in your pocket anymore. It's floating right in front of your eyes. So, what would you do? Buy the Vision Pro now or wait for the Vision Pro 2? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because the next big leap might already be in the works.